if you're loving the video and you're loving the vibes, please remember to hit the like button and press subscribe. Yeah, so if you want to support the journey, if you want to support the movement, the only admission to the video is to like and subscribe. Yeah, so just hit the like button and press subscribe and come over to the KamRaze family. You know you're always welcome. So I wish for there now, Rosie.
On the downtown waterfront.
Oh.
Yeah, right this one.
Waterfront.
You want?
Sounds skirt, yo. But still, a long time I don't see water so empty and so quiet. Place empty and quiet, bad. And the rain look like it's so far, so yeah. The time with that, you know, but now time cool down. Jaja. And if you look back there, so you can see the flour mill and Carib cement and all of them places. All of them places. See the down there, so yeah. Carib cement. That.
Carib cement, that?
Yeah, I think so.
No, that seemed too weird.
Yeah, Carib cement that, man. Right, man. Cause flour mill around there somewhere back that side there. Yeah, I eat. I see the ocean here. I'm playing Just Land. See them, I use my phone. Are you playing there? Oh yeah, so we catch it there. I watch a seagull. I am there. Hey.
Seagull?
A seagull or a seagull?
Golf.
Oh, seagull. But you say golf?
No.
Like? Where you ever say?
Lucky door?
No, it's alright. We're not go far.
I say seagull for a while ago.
I say seagull.
Oh, probably.
Never say seagull. The place nice, you know? Down here. My phone a stick. My phone a itch like usual. Chop chop. Say the food nice?
Yeah, me not lie. I tell you, for the first time, I send go by there. Just continue to buy and I never drop off a farm. You know, like when you buy the other restaurant and today food tastes nice and the next day, especially the rice and peas, them never fail.
True.
Always nice. I'm not so fat out the barbecue chips.
Yeah, it tastes good.
You ever eat it, boy?
May I say what you want to say?
Oh.
Yeah, so right now we just go get some food. Now we're there. Easy. On the waterfront. I go on all the vibes. That's what I say? Yeah. So behave yourself, man. You wonder where the sea looks so them look a thing like soap.
Like soap.
Yeah. I don't know. Rain. Jaja God. Yeah. This is downtown Kingston. That's what I say? Just to give a look of view if you never know. And it's a glorious place up there, seafood. And what else up there again? Ice cream place. The next one, 7-Eleven. So, Ocean 7, yeah, Ocean 7. Yeah. Something else. And a couple of ship out there. That's what I say. So you are there now in idea, Rosie. You go back home. You go sleep. Oh. Food gear. What you call it again? Nickeritis. Nickeritis. But people, see rain come down here now. Rain is on us right now. And we're there, I make a cruise and go home. We leave from outer downtown Kingston. And right now we're there on Marcus Garby Drive. Yeah. And the rain is on right now. So the nice little vibes, the time did really hot, so we kinda expect this.
Rain, yeah.
Yeah, so right now I just the time for the rain shine. You get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, that is it, you know. But we outside and the weather nice.
Nice.
You know? Yeah. You know them where they are fine, you know. Lord of mercy. Pressure pipe bus. Yes, I. They say it there. But check on.
Here water. Come like a whole heap of rainfall about here. Here water. Full of water.
Some must flood out.
Don't see it.
Yeah. But you can't drive home. Can't pass the bridge.
Watch it. Woo! All in. Here water. We're going right. Watch it. Straight him and go make.
Ah, stop! Don't touch it! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Take it up and bring it up.
Try video, Kali.
Bring it.
Try video.
Put it down, put it up on the ground.
You
Come over here.
try video, Kali. View video. View video this time. Give me
Still a
this.
blink?
Yeah. Yeah, it's still a blink. It's a video now. Okay. Guys, do you see this? This is the mega drone of forever and ever. Are you sure you didn't just break it? Just chop off the tree then. I want to turn.
Oh, when I something drop off, there's something there.
What the? Oh no. It's in there. Oh no. Oh no, yeah. Hold on, where is it?
Oh, bust again, them never catch it.
Ready?
Yeah. Wow, I say Agwan. Big drone flyer, see area. Wait, bring it back. Yeah, good, come, yeah, bring it back, yeah. Very good, yeah. That's struggling at the breeze in it, go ahead, bring it down, drop it down a little bit, down, yeah, come to you now, bring it over. Yeah, oh, so you can't fly. Alright, land it now. You ready for land it? You can't press it to land it. Guide it though, guide it away from it. Yeah. Blouse and skirt. That's it. Look at this. Have you ever seen a mushroom this perfect and this circular? Or circular. Look at those right there. Let me go around. Yep. See them here? And that one here, it kinda, I don't know if them one here pies, you know, Sarawa. But because it itch on to that, it kinda lose its shape, like, you know. Yeah, but them does look circular and perfect. Perfect circle. They say you can eat. Let me know if them one here can eat, you know. Or these ones are poisonous. I don't know. Anything ready?
Ready.
Mm-hmm.
I wanna come from the JA. I'm a birthplace. No mama play. Top by the river. On a Sunday. Then I drive on the beach. Then I'm bay in a Portland. On my reach day. Mama, on a Bobbica, everything safe there. Next door center, my next day.
Yeah.
For cheese spot.
Yeah.
Karante.
Yeah. She rock so.
She dips
So.
She dips so.
With calypso. She move. Me hip so. Oh, the culture and the lifestyle so sweet so. Launch on the beach.
Manhattan. Turp like
Seas with the white sun. Lifestyle we live with me innocent and like everywhere we visit in the island. Pull up on the beat at the right. Me want piece of chicken, she want piece of ham. Give me 2 bread and 2 festival and a 1 red stripe for me holding on me hand. Then me go link up the weed band. How you give it cost so 3 grand. Just get a coffee, reach Garindon.
A J.A. like
Tell this
No,
man how me come from. No J.A. How my birthplace, how me play A. Stop by the river. We'll go up on next side again. I mean, where you go? Where she gone? Go back in the boot. It's run, gosh. They had the boot. I get the beach and I'm up there. You know? I want me reach there. Everything safe there. St. Thomas next day. Morant Bay. She rock so. She dip so. She mix dancer with calypso. Hey. 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 Boss. 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 That is it. That is it.